Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your Airtel SIM is active and data plan unlocked, because without that, settings won't apply. Open Settings, tap Mobile Network, then Access Point Names, create a new APN entry. Enter the APN name exactly, the APN value, and leave proxy or port blank unless provided by Airtel. Once done, fill username and password only if supplied, otherwise keep them empty. Save the profile and select it as the active APN so your phone routes mobile data correctly. Next, you handle the middle, more detailed fields. These matter for MMS and tethering. Open the APN you created and enter MMSC, MMS proxy, and MMS port when you need picture messaging to work. For APN type, type default, SUPL, MMS to enable general internet, assisted GPS, and MMS together. Set authentication to PAP or chat per Airtel's instructions, and confirm MCC and MNC match your carrier. These numeric codes ensure the network recognizes your SIM. Finally, complete the setup by rebooting and testing connectivity. Open a browser or run a quick speed test. If data doesn't work, make sure the APN values are exact, authentication matches, and MCC/MNC are correct. Tiny typos block access. If problems persist, toggle airplane mode off and on, reinsert the SIM to re-register with the network, or reset network settings as a last resort, which clears stale configs. One key tip: try another device with your SIM to isolate whether it's the phone or the APN entry.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.